the STITCHLINE Ruler Quilting Tool. It's a 3-in-1 tool to help you master the essentials of ruler quilting. This 3-in-1 tool is going to help you with the essentials of ruler quilting. It has a straight edge, a channel, and a wavy side. These 3 components are going to help you in your ruler quilting, whether you're new to ruler quilting or you've already started but you still need some help, and I want to help you. Let's take a closer look at the tool. This is the STITCHLINE 3-in-1 Ruler Quilting Tool. It's going to help you master straight line quilting. See all these lines on here? These all have a purpose. They're to help you use the lines on the ruler instead of spending hours marking your quilt. I'm going to show you not only how to use the lines, but also how to use these tabs. These tabs that are 1/4 inch from the main section of the straight edge are key for being able to stitch different types of designs without marking. The next feature is the channel. The channel is how we stitch in the ditch very easily and quickly and accurately. I've also included some reference lines, crosshair reference lines specific for the channel. They're going to help you create designs with very little to no marking just by using the crosshairs. And then the third feature is the wavy side. Waves are always fun and ideal for stitching edge-to-edge patterns in our quilt. Let's go over some ruler quilting basics. Set up your machine, domestic or long arm, for free motion quilting. Then attach your ruler foot. Remember, the ruler foot is a 1/2 inch in diameter with a high collar. I've sprayed on the Grippy Spray. Now I'm going to check to see if it will grip the fabric and move the fabric as I put pressure on the ruler. I'm putting slight pressure down so that I can move the fabric in unison with the ruler. My hands were sliding across the top of the ruler, so I put on a glove to help me grip the ruler. Sometimes it's not the grippy spray on the back, it's your hands sliding on the top. Sometimes we need 1 glove or we need 2. You have to test this out. Another thing you want to check is to see how the ruler moves in unison with the fabric, with the channel, with the curvy side, and with the straight side. Behind the ruler foot, in front of the ruler foot, on the diagonal, all before stitching, exactly as you see me doing here. Now I'm checking to see, do I need a glove to help move the fabric? Sometimes we need just 1 glove, or there are times when we need both. 1 to hold the ruler so your hand doesn't slide on top of the ruler, and 1 to actually hold the fabric, and 1 to hold the ruler at the same time. You have to determine this yourself. Next, after you figure that out, you want to start stitching just some random straight line stitching and curvy line stitching with your STITCHLINE tool. Make sure the bobbin thread is at the top and the top thread and the bobbin thread are both underneath the foot, inside and underneath the foot. The thread is not on top of the foot. Now I'm just going to stitch. Notice that the ruler foot is not going to hop over the acrylic because I have the right thickness, a long arm 1/4 inch thick ruler. Do not use an open toe or flat foot because it will go under or over the acrylic. You will damage your machine. Now I'm going to do exactly what I did before to see if can I stitch and maintain control with the acrylic. Is the grippy on the back of the ruler really working? Do I need my gloves? Can I do it without gloves? Are my hands sliding on the top of the ruler? If my hands are sliding, that means I need gloves to hold the ruler. If my hands don't slide, then I'm good to go. If the ruler is sliding, that means I don't have enough of the Grippy Spray on the back of the ruler. Go through these steps before every ruler quilting project. Now, have fun with the STITCHLINE 3-in-1 ruler quilting tool. If you and I are meeting for the first time, I'm Geraldine Wilkins, the Living Water Quilter. I love to help quilters go from frustration to fabulous with 2 techniques. Finishing techniques, free motion quilting and acrylic ruler quilting.